It turns out that 6 out of 10 primary school students have got a social media account, even though you're supposed to be 13 to be on most of these apps. So we're here at Shawn Primary School to find out what the pupils here have got to say about that, as part of our programme with Kent Police and Crime Commissioner, talking about online harms with students across the county. It was Collaborate Digital's second year visiting Kent schools with our Online Harms Roadshow, and this time our focus was on the north of the county.
Well, I'm concerned that we do have rather an epidemic of online harm for young people across lots of different subjects, and if we can get to them at this age, as Collaborate Digital do brilliantly, we can try and prevent this harm from happening.
Our interactive media workshops, backed up by assemblies for full year groups, meant that once again the PCC's message was delivered both in depth and to the maximum number of young people. Students worked together, discussed their own experiences, researched the latest information on the risks they face online, and turned that new knowledge into a series of podcasts.
We've been learning about online safety. We had an assembly that taught us about the 7 Ps and passwords and stuff like that. And we've been doing podcasts about online safety, and we've been teaching other people about them.
We're on to the wonderful Isle of Sheppey and we're in Sheerness today at Richmond Primary School.
Hi, it's Emily. We're at St Thomas More today.
We're at Maypole Primary School in Dartford.
So today we are in Chatham and in St Benedict's Catholic Primary School.
We're here at the Victory Academy in Chatham.
Good morning everybody, got the squirrel in, Rick? Excellent, yeah, what a wonderful logo. Minturn Junior School. We're here today to talk about online safety, online life, online harms. We've got a full school assembly, so there's going to be a lot of noise, there's going to be a lot of participation, and then there's going to be even more participation in the workshops with Year 6, with a select group of 30 Year 6 students. I can't wait to find out what their ideas are going to be. I reckon they're going to be fantastic. Hi and welcome to our game show. Yes, we've got the outside voice, super enthusiastic.
We first wrote like a mind map, then we turned that mind map into a script. Then we practiced the script, and then after we done very good practice, we done the podcast.
The way we're going to do this, we're going to record the script from top to bottom in order as it goes. We're going to take turns, we're going to record one person at a time. Action!
If you're getting cyberbullied, you should tell a trusted adult or parent/carer.
Good morning, Great Britain. Hopefully you're not interrupting your morning tea. Today we are discussing the matter of fact of cyberbullying.
We had a fantastic morning this morning. The children enjoyed a fantastic assembly. There was lots of participation and everybody learnt loads about online safety. We then came back to class, they worked in groups, which was really great, lots of teamwork going on.
They have been so engaged, it's been absolutely brilliant. They're all absolutely raving about it. And I think it really brought home to them some of the realities of this. We've all been walking around going, oh, do you want to be my friend? Do you want to be my friend? And making it sound really creepy, and I think they understand that concept now really well.
So the assembly was informative, it was funny, it held their attention. Even us as teachers were really quite engrossed by it. And also throughout the day, you know, the activities that were done were appropriate, engaging, and the children had loads of fun doing it.
All our students were wholeheartedly engaged, and they even gave up their lunchtime, which does show how much they loved it. It was also full of really good information that I think is very relevant to them, both kind of in school and outside school, and especially about the dangers, I think, and the positives of being safe online.
Amazing morning, super engaging. The children have loved it, and it's really informative to keep them safe.
And you were in on the recording of the podcasts. How did they take to the challenge?
I cannot wait to hear them. Some of them, they've got their humour in there, they've got their own little quirkiness in there. It's going to be really good.
Really useful, even for myself. Some of them things I was thinking, absolutely, that's what we do. I think the knowledge that is going to get out to all them children is going to be really useful. I think it's so good that if it comes around again, I would definitely like to book in the workshops and get them done.
Very good, I loved it, because we had to perform in front of a studio microphone.
Everyone had so much fun.
It was kind of funny and it was fun.
It was like a podcast on ways to stay safe and like awareness of cyberbullying. It was just a good time.